Hi, it's me again. Welcome back to Shital's kitchen. Today we're going to make a chickpea curry and another very yummy and very quick recipe I'm going to introduce today. You know what? If you don't have any vegetable choice for your dish, this is the very quick and yummy recipe that you can make. So before we waste our time, I'm going to introduce all ingredients which is we need for this recipe. 1 cup of chickpea, dry chickpea, and it's soaked overnight, so it's 3 times its size is bigger than dry one. 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon tomato paste, 2 pinch of asafoetida, half a teaspoon salt for gravy, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 star anise and 1 small cinnamon stick, 1/4 teaspoon cumin and mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt for boiling chickpea, 1 teaspoon chili powder, but if you want mild you can add half a teaspoon, 1 tablespoon chickpea flour, 2.5 tablespoon cooking oil, 1 tablespoon roasted peanuts, 5 cloves of garlic and 1 small piece of ginger which is we going to grate soon, 1 medium size onion which is we going to chop soon, and 1 medium sized tomato. First we going to boil this chickpea which is it's soaked overnight in a pressure cooker. So we're going to do 6 whistles in a pressure cooker. But look, if you don't have a pressure cooker, it's perfectly fine. In a big pot you can simmer for 1.5 to 2 hours and then it should be ready. So we're using a pressure cooker for quickest way. So I'm adding this soaked chickpea with 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and I'm adding water. So I add 3 cups of water. And we're going to boil. So while chickpea is boiling, let's we chop onion, and then after that I'm going to crush this roasted peanuts, and also we're going to grate a ginger, and we're going to crush this garlic. So while chickpea is boiling, we can get ready this one for. So this onion is ready, and I completely forgot to mention curry leaf. We need a curry leaf, few curry leaf for gravy, and also few curry leaf I'm going to chop very fine, and it will give you very nice fragrance in gravy. Curry leaf is ready, and now we're going to crush roasted peanuts. So it looks like it's ready. Now we're going to crush garlic. I'm not using my curry paste in this curry. Reason that I'm using quite a bit of garlic as it is. So that's why I'm using chili powder. Paste is ready. And fresh garlic always healthy. But if you don't have, you can use jar one, ready-made one. But pretty much all Indian curry, if you use fresh ginger and fresh garlic, then it gives you totally different flavor. So garlic paste is ready. Now I'm going to grate ginger. So I'm going to add with garlic paste because in a gravy we're going to put together. So everything is ready now. So we're going to make a gravy soon once chickpea is boiled. So in a medium flame, I'm going to add first oil, and then straight away I'm going to add cumin and mustard seeds. Now I'm going to add star anise, cinnamon stick and curry leaf. Now I'm going to add asparagus, and then I'm going to add garlic and ginger paste. And I will let it fry a little bit. I'm going to add onion, we're going to fry this onion until it's golden brown color. Now I'm going to add turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, chili powder and salt. And I'm going to fry these all masalas with garlic, ginger paste and onion. Now I'm going to add chopped tomatoes. Now I'm going to let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes until this tomato is nice and soft. This tomato is nice and soft, so I'm going to add very fine chopped curry leaf. If you think that you don't like a very too strong curry leaf flavor, then that chopped curry leaf is optional. I'm going to add tomato paste now. And I'm going to mix all this tomato, garlic, ginger paste and onion. And I will let it cook another 1 to 2 minutes, and then we're going to add chickpea. Now I'm going to add chickpea, and I'm going to mix chickpea with all other masalas. And if you think that you like this curry not a dry but with a sauce, so you can add water. Some people like to eat curry like a gravy curry with a rice, so you can add water. And if you want to add water, this is the time you can add little bit of water if you don't want dry curry. So this all masala, it looks like all now mixed with the chickpea. I'm going to sprinkle now roasted and crushed peanuts and chickpea flour. Now I'm going to mix all ingredients thoroughly with chickpea, and I'm going to cover with a lid and let it cook roasted peanuts and chickpea flour for at least 3 to 4 minutes until it's all mixed together. So now I'm going to cover lid and I will let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes, and then our curry will be ready. This chickpea curry is ready. Yes. This chickpea curry is ready, and I'm going to garnish with some nice freshly picked from my garden coriander. And we're going to have this chickpea curry and jeera rice and chapati tonight for dinner. It looks so healthy. Isn't it easy? Very quick. If you don't have a vegetable, go for it with the chickpea curry. So if you like this dish and video, as usual, please like, subscribe and comment and share with your family and friends. So if they don't have a vegetable, tell them that it's nice, easy recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. See you later.